Types of poetry. Couplet is a pair of lines that rhyme. The couplet may be complete in itself or may be part of a longer poem. The artist stirred some blue and green to paint an underwater scene. A haiku is an unrhymed poem consisting of 3 lines and 17 syllables. A haiku often describes something in nature. The autumn wind blows, calling the leaves on the ground to join him in dance. A sinquan is an unrhymed 5-line poem. Each line has a set number of words or syllables. So here you have butterflies, gentle creatures, fluttering, searching, landing, lovely flashes of light, miracles. Puppies, fuzzy, playful, running, eating, chewing, tennis balls, toys, beds, shoes, leashes, loving. All of this talks about puppies. So the whole poem, so the first line indicates the topic of the poem, and everything else talks about that topic. Limerick is a humorous 5-line poem. It is made of 13 beats and has a rhyme scheme of A, B, B, A. There was a young boy from Kabul who had trouble tying his shoe. He said to his ox, "I'll just walk in my socks." Now all of his friends do that too. So here you have A, so Kabul and shoe, then ox, socks, which is B, B, and then going back to oo, A. So that's that's called a limerick. A quatron is a 4-line poem. Its rhyme scheme may be A, B, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, B, A, or A, B, C, B. Quatrons are often combined to form a long poem. An acrostic. The first letters of the lines of this type of poem spell out the topic or title of the poem. Acrostic poems may or may not rhyme. So here you would have cuddly, adorable, tiny, and this is about a cat. And then here in the acrostic, it's all about the letters. Diamant is a 7-line diamond-shaped poem that allows specific patterns using parts of speech. Each line uses a different part of speech. Many diamond poems begin with one subject and then transitions to a contrasting subject in the 4th line. Plants green, beautiful, living, giving, creating. Flowers, trees, fruits, vegetables. Growing, blooming, ripening. Bright, fragrant garden. So here you have subject, adjectives, verbs, nouns, verbs. So here you have subject, that's all about plants. And then here it starts to talk about fruits. So plants and fruits. Green, beautiful is adjectives. Living, giving, creating, verbs. And you notice that it's in the shape of a diamond. Clerihew are funny poems about real people. A clerihew has 4 lines and an A, B, B rhyming scheme. The first line includes the person's name. Our teacher, Mr. Bright, really knows how to write, but her awful singing often leaves our ears ringing. So here you have A, and B, B. Bright, write, sing, and ring. I am poem. The writer expresses personal thoughts and feelings following a 10-line format. This type of poetry is called personal poetry. And so you have I am Charles, silly, talkative, energetic, child of Wendy and Tim, who loves mystery books, who needs understanding, who feels curious, who gives understanding, who fears thunderstorms, who would like to be a doctor. I am Charles. 5 senses. 5 senses is shaped like a triangle because of the patterning of words used. It uses sensory words to describe the subject. 5 senses poems do not have to rhyme. Puppy, fuzzy, puppy, fresh, warm. Fuzzy, soft, cuddly. brown, playful, fast, cute. Painting, licking, jumping, digging, barking. And so this concludes this particular video on different types of poetry.